talking about circulatory system. And first, the circulatory system is the one in charge of carrying out oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to our body, just to remove waste products like carbon dioxide. The nutrients are chemical substances found in every living thing on Earth, and they provide us energy and contribute to our body structure and regulate chemical processes. Then the oxygen is a chemical element that is a gas with no smell or color, and the oxygen forms a large part of the air on Earth, and it is needed for animals and plants to live. The carbon dioxide is a compound that the circulatory is in charge of eliminating, having a big exposure to carbon dioxide may lead to some bad consequences.
Now we're going to discuss some organs and discussion from the circulatory system. First, we have the most important one, which is the heart, that is located in a central chamber and pumps blood throughout your body. And it usually beats from 60 to 100 times per minute, and it's divided into 4 chambers, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Then we have the lungs, which provide oxygen for cellular respiration and also remove waste from this. And lastly, we have the blood vessels, which are the channels in which the blood passes through all our body. And then we have some diseases, which are inefficient blood flow, blocked or narrowed blood vessels, and problems with your heart pumping action. For inefficient blood flow, it is recommended to people to stop smoking if they are smokers, and also regulate the intake of fats. For people that have been diagnosed with narrow vessels, are treated with angioplasty and stent.
So then we have the information from our robot. This robot is going to treat the blood vessels throughout the body. So this robot is a micro-sized robot that enters the vein of the arm and goes all through the vessels of the body, and then it recaps all the information if any of the vessels are blocked or anything that is going wrong with your vessels. And then it recaps all this information and put it in a document that goes to the doctor for the doctor make the analysis of your health. And then we have the picture of our 3D impression of a robot, and then we have the 3D Tinkercad that we use to make the 3D impression.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the programming side of the robot. Basically, the whole programming structure of a robot is set by loops. For example, when the robot enters our body through the hand, it does the loop of traveling through this hand, through the arm. Then it does another loop to make a 360 degree and go to the other side. It uses loops all the time to move from the shoulder to the head, and from the head to the shoulder, then from the shoulder to the heart, or from the heart to the coccyx. Then it goes down the leg, and it goes up straight leg, and repeats the process on the other leg. Goes up again to the heart, and again does a loop of doing cycles for checking the health of the heart.